Hello friends, we are going to write a Python program to print the following, that is right angled triangle pattern using a single loop. We should not use the nested loop. For this we are going to write a Python program. I am initializing a variable n equal to 1 followed by I am writing a for loop for I in range 5 colon. Here for is the keyword for the for loop, I is a loop variable. Range function will generate a list from 0 to n minus 1, that is 0 to 4. So for each iteration, the loop variable will take the value one by one. I is 0, I is 1, 2, 3 and 4. In operator helps this purpose. So within the body of the for loop, for the body of the for loop, I am giving one tab space. I am printing n. Followed by I am updating a value of the n equal to n star 10 plus 1. That's it. This is the program. I will explain how this logic works. Here I am having a value n is equal to 1. For I in range of 5, it will generate a list 0, 1, 2, 3 and 4. So I will take the initial value 0. Print n. So what is the value of n? N equal to 1. 1 will get printed. Now n equal to n star 10 plus 1. N equal to 1 multiplied with 10 plus 1, that is n is become 11. That will come to the loop. I will take the value 1 now. Print n. This 11 will get printed. We come here n equal to n star 10 plus 1. N equal to existing value of n is 11 multiplied with 10 plus 1. This will give triple 1. So control will come here. I will take the value 2. Print n. The triple 1 will get printed. Now we come to this place, n equal to n star 10. Triple 1 multiplied with 10 plus 1, which leads to 4 1. Control will come here. I will take the value 3 and print n. The 4 1 will get printed. Now we'll come to this place. N will get updated. N equal to existing value of n. This is 4 1 multiplied with 10 plus 1, which is equal to 5 1. Now control will come here. I will take the value 4. Print n. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 1 will get printed. Now n is updated. N equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 n into 10 plus 1, which is equal to 6 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 1. But control will come here. The loop is over. Control will come out. So as output, we are getting this triangle, right angle triangle. We will execute the program and check the result. So I am getting the right angled triangle. The program is perfect. That's it. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel, share, comment and press the bell button. Thank you.